welcome back to my channel, The Sociable Savvy. Today we're going to be answering a question that's often asked, which is, what is the purpose of social media marketing? Social media has become an essential part of our lives and revolutionized the way that we do business. In today's digital age, social media marketing is an indispensable tool to allow businesses to reach their target audiences as well as reach their marketing goals. So let's dive into it. The first purpose of social media marketing is to increase that brand awareness. So by having a presence on social media, your business is going to be able to reach a wider audience as well as introduce your brand to potential customers. Social media also allows you to showcase your goods and services and engage with that audience in a more personal and meaningful way. The second purpose of social media marketing is to build a community around your brand. Social media is providing you with a platform where you can connect with your audience on a deeper level. So by creating engaging content and engaging with that audience, you are going to be able to build a loyal following of customers who are passionate about your brand. The third purpose of social media marketing is to drive website traffic and sales. Social media platforms are providing businesses with the opportunity to drive traffic back to their website and to overall increase their sales. So by using targeted advertising and strategic content, businesses are able to reach their ideal customer and encourage them to take action. The fourth purpose of social media marketing is to improve customer engagement and satisfaction. Social media is providing businesses with a direct line of communication to their customers. By responding to inquiries and providing helpful information, businesses are going to be able to improve their customer satisfaction as well as create a very positive reputation. The fifth and final purpose of social media marketing is to gain valuable insights into your target audience. So social media platforms provide businesses with valuable data into their audience's behaviors and interests. So by analyzing that data, you're going to be able to see what your target audience really wants and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. So there you have it. These are the key benefits to social media marketing. So whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, build a community, drive traffic, increase customer satisfaction, or gain valuable insights, all of those can happen with social media marketing, and you should definitely get involved. So thank you so much for watching. Next to me is all of my different links to my different social media accounts. If you would be amazing and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I try to release weekly videos on social media marketing. If there's anything you have interest in, let me know in the comments below and I will try to cover it. Thanks so much.